can hear the gentle whispers of a love that's here to stay. The melodies they're singing, sweet as honey, soft and clear with each strum of my guitar. They're whispering in my ear as the moonlight softly dances, casting shadows on the ground. I can feel the warmth surrounding. Love is all around. The gentle guitar strings, they pluck with tender grace, creating harmonies that soothe. With every note they trace, oh, these whispered melodies, they touch my very soul. In this acoustic symphony, I feel the love unfold. With each word and every chord, a story to be told. These sweet, sweet melodies, they're worth more than gold. Stories to be told. These sweet, sweet melodies, they're worth more than gold. In the simple, quiet moments we would share underneath the stars, with the cool night air, hand in hand, walking side by side. We were catching dreams with the rising tide. Through the laughter and the tears we used to know, you were my sunshine. The pouring rains glow with every word and every gentle touch. We would paint our love with colors that meant so much. Those golden days, they're still in my mind, forever holding on to memories one of a kind. Those golden days, they'll never fade away, 'cause when I think of you, I smile and my heart starts to sway. In the quiet of the evening, when the stars come out to play, I can hear the gentle whispers of a love that's here to stay. It's hard, they're whispering in my ear. as the moonlight softly dances, casting shadows on the ground. I can feel the warmth surrounding, love is all around. The gentle guitar strings, they pluck with tender grace, creating harmonies that soothe with every note they trace. Oh, these whispered melodies, they touch my very soul. In this acoustic symphony, I feel the love unfold, with each word and every chord, a story to be told. These sweet melodies, they're worth more than gold. In the summer, quiet moments we share underneath the stars with the cool night air. Oh, hand in hand, walking side by side, we were catching dreams with the rising tide. Through the laughter and the tears we used to know, you were my sunshine in the pouring rain's glow. With every word and every gentle touch, we would paint our love with colors and then so much. Ooh, those golden days, they stay in my mind forever, holding on to memories.